I said I was going to pull the transmission. Just pull. He said, don't do it from that side. Well, you got to do it from this side, but yes. All this trouble for a damn shifting pawl, because the one that come out, the pivot pin for the ratchet and the pawl was all messed up. Got my gaskets, put a new clutch cable on. It's down there covered up. But yeah, all that has to come off. So, a lot of shit everywhere.